In this video, I'm gonna show you how to redeem codes on Pokemon Go. The first step that I want you to do is to access the site, which is store.pokemongolive.com/offer redemption. In this site, you have to log in or sign in the Pokemon Go account. For example, once you click this sign in to redeem, you need to log in with your Niantic Kids or with your Google account. So make sure that you have prepared your email or the account that you use for connecting your Pokemon Go account. After signing in, this is the page that will be introduced to you. So just simply enter the code that you received from Pokemon Go and click the apply button. And once this code is successful or valid, it will send a success message to you. And that's it. That's how you can redeem your codes on Pokemon Go, and thank you for listening.